Hello, my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about learn and inspire. Today, our topic is sea animal. Guys, there is beautiful life inside the water. The millions, billions of animals live in the water. So, today we learn a fascinating fact about dolphin. Did you know dolphins never fully sleep like humans? Instead, they let one half their brain rest while the other half stay awake. This helps him breathe, sleep, and swim, stay safe in the ocean. Truly magical sea animal, na? Imagine sleeping and stay alert at the same time. Dolphins have mastered this secret. Seriously. It's just like half asleep and full alert. This is great. Seriously, guys, this is great. Half asleep and full alert. Let's dive into the magical world of dolphin. So, today's motivation quote is: the sea is full of wonders. Remember, you too carry hidden strength awaiting to be discovered. All you need is just found your hidden talent, your hidden work which you like to do but you don't know, your hidden strength. All you need is just work on yourself. Work what you want to do. Just focus on you. You need to focus on yourself. All I want to say. Don't let anyone let you down. Please. In this world, everyone let you down. But please take care of yourself. Don't give anyone right to let you down. Just be you and only you. Dolphin know in this world anyone can attack on him. So he never slept fully. This is the life, bro, and you have to change yourself. Be awake and do and focus yourself. Find your hidden element which is best in you. Like this beautiful topic and beautiful genre, your life will also be beautiful. Just focus and awake yourself. Just awake yourself and demotivate yourself. If you like my genre or if you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.